Ow.
Ow. I have no idea what happened. Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be working on the Evo 9. It's been a while since we did anything to her, but I finally got a new exhaust that we will be throwing on there. I'm sure all of you are aware of the new exhaust laws that just came out in January this year, and just hearing all the stories that were coming from that, I was kind of too scared to drive the Evo, so I've just been keeping her in the driveway. And I finally just got a new exhaust I can throw in there to hopefully make her a little bit more quiet. We'll find out. I have here the Greddy Evo 2, which I hear is one of the quietest exhausts, right next to the Road Race and the Tandem Medallion. I guess the only complaint I have about this exhaust is that it tapers from 2 3/4 to 3-inch, and I want to get a full 3-inch exhaust all the way through. But that's something I'm gonna fix once I get around to it. But first thing first, I want to throw it on so I can start taking the car out to the street. So let's get started.
There she goes. There she goes. Okay.
And it's all one piece.
All one piece.
Pretty sure this is a custom exhaust. So, yeah.
Alright, let's go to the back.
Please don't follow me if you're gonna fall. Oh, I can hold the tip. Okay.
Alright, this is gonna be the fun part. Oops.
It's nice having an impact on.
Oh yeah, I love it. Maybe it would have been better to take the bumper off after all.
Well, we always do things the hard way.
Yeah, that's our thing. The problem we're having right now is this hanger. If you guys can see that. I'm gonna spray it with WD-40. Usually helps. When I was at Road Race, I had to install a lot of the exhaust that we sell.
That's what you got there.
And I would do it with channel locks and WD-40. Usually always worked. Ow.
You okay?
Yeah.
Success! Oh, I don't know if you missed that, but we got it off. Good job, dude. That's all that matters.
Oh my god, this is like the jankiest.
Oh, we gotta pull this out and show everybody.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright. Okay, so we have the muffler and all this right here. I have no idea what happened.
My goodness. Yeah, this is pretty messed up. I mean, these are really bad welds. Look at the transitions here. You didn't have the right size tubing, looks like. You don't know how to do bends. Looks like there's a million pinholes in here. This is a bad exhaust. The only good part about it is that it's a...
The muffler is an
Apex muffler, but everything else is kind of whack.
Alright. So, let's sell this Apex muffler, $20. Who wants it?
Yeah, this exhaust is so much better than that crap.
Good job, Greddy.
Alright, so
now we're gonna throw this on. Alright, we're done.
okay. And it actually lined up with the bumper pretty good.
Yeah, it did. And it doesn't look too exaggerated like it did outside. It kind of like
yeah, it kind of hides the can. The can looked really big, but
the can was huge. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like once we get it down on the ground.
Yeah, let's get it down and start it up, see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Poor Mustang. It's just been sitting here collecting dust. Big things coming for it though.
Wider? Not really.
Sound the same?
No. It's not as loud. It has more like a lower, deeper tone.
But the car is cold.
The car's cold. Should we wait?
Let's see what it does.
And we didn't get a sound clip of that exhaust because we suck at making videos. So we'll let it warm up. Maybe I'll just do a quick run down the street, quick pull. Well, not even a pull. I'm not even going that fast or that hard. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't seem. Honestly, it doesn't seem as loud to me. So I think we might be good.
You're the one that knows. I mean, I'm not sure.
Yeah. All right. So I'll let it warm up a little bit, but there's something I need to figure out. When I pulled it off, I pulled this part off, and I can't get it back. I can't get this off, so I can get that back in there.
By the way, he started to remove his rear bumper because some guy was gonna trade him for a JDM rear bumper plus catch on top.
But he flaked.
The guy flaked, so now we're gonna have.
He didn't even tell me who was flaking. He just straight up flaked. So.
Now
Well,
he's gotta
tell me he backed out.
Now he's gotta put it all back together. Dave's gonna do a little sound clip, give it a little rev.
How'd it sound?
Sounds pretty good. Not too bad. What do you think?
I think this car needs a wash. That's what I think. And a good clean. But alright, let's take it for a little drive.
What?
My car's too low, so I'd rather back out than like go head in or head out.
What if you got a crazy angle?
Look how deep that thing is. I don't trust it. Okay. I'd rather just back it out.
Huh?
How many was I doing?
Just one. So how did it feel? Or how did it sound?
Sounds a lot quieter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like it. I'm in.
Sweet.
I'm digging it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, etc, etc, etc. I'll see you guys next time.